Hi, this is Kavita Suresh Kumar, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to use build steps in Jenkins Pipeline. I have logged into the Jenkins server. So for this demo purpose, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create 3 jobs. So I'm going to create the first job, create a job. I'm going to call it as job 1, click pipeline, and then click OK. Okay. So for the demo purpose, I'm just going to make use of the hello world sample script. Okay, but what I'm going to say is this job 1, and we are going to echo building job 1. Okay, save. So then I'm going to create a next job, click new item. This I'm going to call it as job 2, click pipeline, click OK. So I'm going to repeat the same thing. I'm just going to use the hello world. So but this time we are just going to print it as job 2, and here I'm going to change it as job 2 and echo. I'll just add the building, so building job 2. I'm going to save it. Okay, so we have created 2 jobs. So now I'm going to add one more job. This is going to be the main job. Okay, click pipeline and then click OK. Right, here also I'm going to get started with the sample hello world. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to call it as job 1, and then instead of hello world, so now what I'm going to do is, as part of the step, we are going to build job 1. Okay, so this is the stage 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another one stage here, so which I'm going to call it as a test stage. Okay, so as part of the testing, what I'm going to do is steps, right? I'm just going to echo as testing. Okay, fine. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a post, right? So this, when the first main stage gets executed successfully, it is going to execute this, okay, as part of the success, right? So what I'm going to do is, again I'm going to build the next job, which is the job 2. So what's going to happen is, right, so it is going to execute the job 1, it is going to build the job 1. If the job 1 is successful, then it is going to execute the second stage test, as well as the post success of both the stages, it is going to execute the job 2. Okay, I'm going to save it. Okay, so now we are in the main job, so I'm going to execute the main job. Build now. The main job is getting executed. Let's go and check. Okay, so we could see it started building the job 1. It's completed success, so it has printed testing, right? And then now the post job, it also completed the job 2. It's completed success. Okay, now let's go and check the other 2 jobs. Okay, go to dashboard. Job 1, right? We could see it got executed successfully. Okay, similarly if you see for the job 2, right, here also this also got executed successfully. Okay, now let us do some changes and ensure the job 1 fails. Okay, click job 1, configure. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, here I wanted to ensure this fails. Okay, so I'm going to say error failed. Okay, so click save, right? Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the main job and then build again. So the build is running now and it failed. Okay, let's review that. Okay, so we could see the job 1 failed because of the stage 2 got skipped, and then again because the failure got propagated, so that is the reason now even the post, that is the running of the build 2 job, didn't complete, because that is expected to run only on the success. Okay, so now let's go and do some changes. We don't want the failure to be propagated. Okay, so let's go to the main job. Okay, click the pipeline syntax, right, select build a job, right, project to build is, obviously it is the job 1, so I'm going to select that, right? And then it is like wait for completion, but I do not want to propagate errors. Okay, so click generate pipeline script. So copy this, okay, go back, going to configure, right? So here instead of build job 1, we are going to add the new syntax which we copied. Okay, so then click save, right? Then click build now. So the build 3 is getting executed now. Let's review the console output. So it is now scheduling the project job 1, even though it got completed and it is a failure. So it has completed the stage 2 where we echoed the testing, and now it has successfully completed the job 2 as well, right? Because since we didn't propagate the error, so it was considered the success, and then the post success we asked it to execute the job 2, so that also got executed. In this demo we have seen how to use build steps in Jenkins pipeline. If you like this demo, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the demo.